Welcome back, everybody. So, guys, here in this class, we're just setting up the environment for the React.js. So, the very first thing what we just need for the React.js, setting up the React.js, we just need the Node.js and the npm for interpreting the React.js results to the browser and to running the local host for the client-side language, the local server. We just need the Node.js and the npm, and we will be needing some few global packages and a few plugins. I'm just going to guide you how and from where we're just going to get all these things. First of all, we just need to go to the nodejs.org. Okay, now we got there. Now what more we just need to do is to click on the recommended for most users. If I just click there, I'll be getting the file downloaded. Here it started downloading, and in some seconds it will be completed. And there we just got the file downloaded, and where it is, if I just go there, we can see that the Node.js 6.1 and etc. I'm just gonna run this up. Okay, close this and click on the next button. Yeah, I already have the Node.js setup installed, so I'm just clicking on remove first time and removing this, and then we'll be installing it by our own in its class. Yeah, computing space requirement, validating, install etc. It's just gonna uninstall the Node.js setup, this dialog box, removing files, removing other stuff, all the things. Yeah, we just got deleted the Node.js. Just click on the finish button. It's gone. Now, what I'm just doing, I'm just going to just double clicking on the setup, and now just click on next button, and now I just need to accept the terms in a license agreement. Just click on next button. The file location, the location is okay. Just click on next button again. Now I just want all the things like the path, online documentation. The very important thing is the Node.js runtime and the Node npm package manager. Click on next button and click on install button. Now validating, install, generating, copying files, updating component registration, copying new files, and the other stuff. It's just getting copied, all things. Yeah, it's done. It's just asking click to finish. Click the finish button inside the setup. I'm just clicking on finish button. Now I just need to check that if really I just got the Node.js. Yeah, I got this one. Okay, cool. Now the second thing I just need to do is to just install the global packages from the npm. So I'm just going to the cmd, and why I'm just going to the cmd, this is a rule for the Node.js. Okay, you can use the Node.js cmd too. I'm just clicking on cmd, and now I got this. Now what I just need to do, I just need to type the npm. When I just type npm, that means I'm clearly calling for the Node.js interpreter. Okay, now npm, and now I just want to install something. This is a rule. If you just want to work on an npm, you just need to know more about, if you just want to know more about the npm, you just need to search it over the Google, because absolutely in our course we're not going to talk about the npm a lot more, or Node.js a lot more. We're just going to setting up the Node.js for the React.js. Then we'll be working on React.js later on. Also, if you just want to know about the CMD or the command for the CMD, you just need to visit google.com, and then you can get more information about it. For now, I'm just going to install the things. If you just want to install something in an npm, you just need to type the npm space install, and then the thing you just want to install. And because this one is the global package, so the G, I'm just going to download the Babel here, Babel. Okay, this one is a global package as well as install. So just enter, and it's getting installed. You can see that the rollback failed, etc. Now I got the package installed. Okay, what more I just need to do? I just need to do it. Now I just want to install the same thing with a little change, the CLI, and here no space but this. Okay, line break, and now it's gonna install it in a few minutes. Yeah, rollback failed, operation etc. Load, fetch nodes. It's getting installed. Then we'll be needing to do some more things, some more stuff. Absolutely, it's just about to done. Yeah, it's done. Absolutely. Now what more I just need? Now let's just jump into the React.js. Why I just downloaded and installed the Node.js? Because by using this one we just can set up the environment of the React, and we are just doing this right now. Now a few commands of the cmd you need to know. cd, if you just want to go inside the subdirectory of any folder. For example, for now we are inside the C folder, inside the C drive, the users folder, and inside the users folder there is a folder named Shozeb Kemal. And I just want to go inside a folder which is inside. I just want to go inside the folder which is in the Shazib Kamal, and the folder name is cd desktop. Okay, the folder name is desktop. By using the cd, we just can go inside the folder. Line break. Now we're inside. We're not inside the Shazib Kamal anymore. We're inside the desktop. Now I just want to do something on a desktop. I just want to create a folder. I can create a folder by right clicking and just going to the new and by clicking on folder. But I just want you to familiar with the CMD functions, because absolutely you're using it, so you need to know some basics, a little basics about it. Now the folder name I'm just making is React application or React app or anything. And because I just want to create a folder, so for creating a folder I just need to use the mkdir and then space, and the folder name we just want to create React application or app. Mkdir is a command mostly programming languages also uses, like PHP and some other languages. The mkdir is for creating a folder. Line break. And now I got created the folder here. You can see that the React app. Now I just want to make access inside the React app, so I'm just typing the cd here, cd space React app. Line break. Now I'm inside the React tab. Now I just want to make another interesting thing, the package.json file. And what is the package.json file? It is actually the main file we just need. Now the other thing is we just want to download some plugins for the React, and actually we just want to install the React for this folder and other things. So first of all, what I'm just doing, I'm just typing npm init, means initializing. Okay, now what is a package.json file? The package.json is actually a file which actually connects the complete project metadata and other information, the basic information about the project, to control the project version and other stuff. Project name, project version, and other things has been handled by the package.json file. So let's just work on it. I just type the here the npm init, and by entering it, we just got the package name area. Now it is just asking for the package name. The name will be, I can put any name. The folder name is React app. Okay, but this is not necessary to make it as React app. It can be anything. Okay, I'm just typing React app, but I can type my name here for the project for the package name. However, the folder name is React app, but it can be anything. I'm just typing React app as it is, just line break. And now it's asking for the version. The very first version must be the 0.0 1.0.0 line break. The description, you can put anything here as a description. I'm just typing here this learning React command ReactJs, okay, by Shazib Kamal. Okay, line break. Now the in-rate point, you can we didn't make any file yet. Okay, we didn't make any file yet, but what will be the in-rate point? The in-rate point will be the, we can type like index.html, index.js. The file should be js. Okay, we can type index.js, we can type main.js, we can type default.js, anything. I'm just typing index.js for now, or let's just make it main.js, or okay, index.js. Fine. Line break. Now the test command, I just don't want to test anything. Line break it. Git repository, I just don't want to add any Git repository for now. Line break it. Now keywords, I'm just putting npm. This one is just because if you just publish the package, so you know the file name in etc. Now the npm learn React with the spaces. Okay, line break. And now it's asking for the author name. The author name is Shazib, okay, Kamal. Line break. Now license unlicensed. Okay, cool. Line break. Okay, now they're just giving us the data that this will be the collection inside the package.json file for this React app. You can see that the errors will be C users Shazib Kamal desktop React app package.json. They're just about to write it. Okay, I'm just typing yes, it's cool. Okay, it just created. You can see that there is a file name. Just open it up, go to the edit with Notepad++, and we just got it. Here you can see that all the things we just added are there. The unlicensed, the author name, etc. All things are there. All things. Now the next step I'm just gonna do is to, but before just downloading the plugins, I think I just need to download the webpack. So what I'm just doing here, npm install. Again, I'm just installing something through the npm and just adding space, and just the thing I'm just installing is the webpack space save and line break it. Okay, it's just, you can see that fetch metadata in etc, and all things is going inside this folder, the React app. And I'm just going to show you how you'll be seeing first. It just need to be completed, and then there the data will be added. And also this file for now I'm just canceling because it will be updated too. Whatever we just download will be pasted inside the React app. You can see that now the node module. If I just go inside, you'll be seeing some many files here. You can see that continuously you'll be seeing a lot of files. You can see that. Okay, this is just happening because of this process which is happening here, continuously installing many things. Okay, now there a little thing I just want to clear you that npm warn React app 1.0.0 no repository field, no problem. It's just a warning that there is no repository field, but it nothing with any error, so ignore it. Okay, cool. Now another thing I just want to install is the install. Just focus, just go inside it, and you can see that 204 folders for now, 204 items. I'm just installing another thing here, the webpack dev server. Okay, now again save it. For saving, you just need to put the two hyphens and save button, save command, and line break it. Okay, if you just want to learn more about it, these things, you just need to focus on the npm, search over the npm how to set up the npm, and you'll be getting another commands if you just need them. And I'm installing another items. If you just go there, you can see that it's not the 204 anymore, it's 283 for now, and it's continuously updating here. Okay, it's done. Refresh 282. Now some more things we just need to download for now inside the same folder. And what is that thing? Again, we just got two warnings, but no problem because these warnings are not really important to be focused. And what we just need to download for now is to installing the React itself. npm install React space save and line break. Now I'm directly installing the React for now. It's going on. Okay, the folder, you can see that the folder quantity has been updated and React is now inside the folder.